Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to do calendar this morning. So let's start with our rule song. Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. All right, give yourself a squeeze. Squeeze. That feels better. First, I wanted to look at some words. So let's look at the words here. All right, this word is cap. Cap. And let's look on the bottom of your screen. You'll see a cap or a hat riding by. There's the cap. We're sounding out our short A words. All right, let's hit the next button. Next. The P went away. And now the word is cat. You say it faster, it's a cat. Great. We're sounding it out. Let's see what's next. Let's do another word. Okay, so the first letter changed. Now it's a rat. There's that silly rat driving in the car. Hi. All right, let's do one more word, sounding it out. Okay, so the R turned into an H. Let's sound out this word. Hat. That's the word hat, and here is a picture of a hat. Bye, hat. Great job doing the short A words. Great. Let's do our calendar now. What do we do first with our calendar? We do the days of the week first, right? So let's get ready. I'm ready. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, we're in the middle of the week. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is what? Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday. Awesome job. Because if you think, right, yesterday was Tuesday, so Tuesday, Wednesday. Good. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, let's do the months of the year. And remember, it's a new month, right? So let's start from the top. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. So the month is called June. J-U-N-E. June. Great job. I can't believe it's June. Remember the tracing and the air tracing with the letter J? Down, up, give him a hat. Down, up, give it a hat. That's a J. All right, now let's do some counting. We start with number 1, 2, what comes next? 3. You guys know that. What number is this? It's the number 3. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd. Great. Let's look at our digital calendar. The month is, so we're looking for the match, right? We're looking for June. Where's June? Look on your screen. That is June, right? So let's move it to the box. The month is June. The day is, what number is this? 3. Good. 1, 2. This matches. It's June 3rd. Awesome. Let's do the weather next. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Let's see. All right. Yesterday, I think, was the same. I said I see some clouds, and I see the sun too. So I'm going to pick partly sunny, because there's some clouds out there. Okay. The weather today is partly sunny. So that means there's a little bit of clouds and there's a little bit of sun. Cool. The temperature today is, right now, 66 what? Degrees. When we talk about temperature, we talk about degrees. 66 degrees. And Miss Amanda used to show you guys the thermometer that I had. So 66 degrees would kind of look like a little bit warm. So we're going to put warm here. The temperature today is warm. And I bet it will get warmer today too. Great. All right, and the last thing we're doing is the seasons. Let's do our seasons song. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. All right, what's the season? You guys know this. Season is what? Spring. All right, let's put the spring up there.
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
But I want you to finish it. That's fine.
Oh, I got some toast. Look at that. Am I lucky or what? All right. So let's finish our calendar, okay? Let's say the whole date. Today is Wednesday. What's the month? June. What's the number? 3. 2020. Or we can say 3rd when we see the number 3. We can say 3rd. The month was June, right? We did all that. The weather today is partly sunny. The temperature feels warm, right? 66 degrees. And the season is spring. I hope you guys liked that calendar. And you liked the toast I got. And I hope you have a good day, and I hope you get to play outside. I miss you guys a lot, and I'll see you soon. Bye.